Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Dhananjay S.R. Nayak, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about data design and computer organization. The topic is designing the intelligent organization. Research paper journal, Designing the Intelligent Organization, journal, SAC Journals, year published on August 4, 2024. Author Berkeley Hash. Agenda: Organization Intelligence, Organizational Architecture, Actor Intelligence in Use, Actor Composition, Combining Human and Artificial Intelligence, 6 Principles for Designing Intelligent Organization, Making Intelligent Change Happen. Abstract: This article presents principles and practical guidelines for how managers can succeed in growing the intelligence of their organization by harnessing the complementary strength of human and artificial intelligence (AI). Organizational intelligence is the ability of collective of human intelligence of digital actors to solve the problems and adapt. 6 principles for the human AI collaboration organizations are explored in addition, relevance, substitution, diversity, collaboration and explanation, and how they play out in leading organization is described. So finally, practical guidelines are outlined for how many leaders can enable their organization to successfully make the change. So due to the recent developments in organizational practice, technology and research, 2 critical questions need to be addressed. How can we use AI to make organizations more intelligent, and how can we organize collaboration between human and digital actors efficiently? So, organizational intelligence. What is organizational intelligence or cognitive perspective? Intelligence refers to the ability to acquire the applied knowledge of solving the problems and adapt. While intelligence has been associated primarily with individuals, some researchers study it at collectively level and find that groups' problem-solving performance can be explained by the participants' social skills and collaborative practices. So the equation 1 is the organizational intelligence function. So its proposal to the organizational intelligence is a function of the intelligence in use of participating actors, their composition, organizational culture, as specified in the equation 1 and explained below. Organizational intelligence equals F of actor intelligence in use, actor composition, organizational architecture, organizational culture. Organizational architecture. In order to act intelligently, an organization has been enabled to sense the environment, identify needs, the problems, identify and mobilize relevant actors and resources within a beyond organizational boundaries, enable actors and collaborate efficiently to solve problems and provide appropriate response to the environment, learn, accumulate and share knowledge and other resources, set goals, focus attention and actors and resources in ways to enable the organization to fulfill their purpose. Intelligent intelligence in use. So it's the diagram of complete and artificial versus human intelligence. So it makes helping in the artificial intelligence in use is the organization intelligence grows in the intelligence of its actors, simply then increases when our organization adds new intelligent members, examples, recruitment. So there is a complete diagram to be explained. Complete, actor, main effect and similarities. Only others similarities, diversities are the main effects, where the group, climate or contrast is all empty. So actor intelligence in use roles where they got more of their abilities of automating or outsourcing the routine work and deploying people to the roles. Actors composition. The composition of a collective is important to its problem-solving abilities. First, relevance matters. The knowledge and skill its members have the match and the nature of the problems it aims to solve. For instance, one would have engaged a group of accountants to solve a patient's medical problem of their IQ as far as the experienced team of doctors. A diverse community of actors can generate a greater number and variety of alternative solutions to a problem, increasing the odds of finding effective solution. However, it requires collaborative values and skills, as it is the source of conflict, misunderstanding and delays. Combining human and artificial intelligence is the main important factor of this topic, where the people are not only intelligent actors in organization anymore. With AI, technological systems become more than just tools as the actors' properties in the today's. And for example, when banks automate the handling of credit card applications, when employing intelligent human and digital actors, we can derive 5 distinct configurations of intelligence in organizations depending on different forms of collaborations or lack of peoples of intelligent technology involved in solving a problem and performing a task as illustrated in individual intelligence. When the human individual works independently without intelligent technology, collective interventions when multiple people collaborate in their work, and artificial AI is an organization that interacts with the humans, automated, augmented with the collective intelligence. Sixth principle of design intelligent organization is the equipped within the factors of the intelligent function of human is the role of organizations with starting the fundamentals includes the actor intelligence and use factor, the addition principle, relevance principle, substitution principle, and the collaboration principle, and the external principle of design. Making intelligent change happen is the quest of intelligent organization as proud of implications of the sixth principle of complementary among diverse digital. So the machine works out the business including the combining speed and responsibility. So questions would be raised is question 1, like we can observe and you have to observe that how should we overcome resistance and build resilience for change. So should we hire new talent to develop our current workforce? Should we drive to the current age of organization? How do we fast and responsible in adopting AI? So conclusion is the domain of organization depends on the confluence powerful forces and the rapid and unpredictable change in the technology and constant of the work and the vastly demanding return on the organization work. So the sixth design principle of intelligent organization is sector guidance for making a change. So the discussion and the foundational is not yet exhaustive, so we are still developing a steady intelligent organization. By the ambitions is to advance to set the principles and recommendations based on the current knowledge that will inform you to inspire the questions. So where you can brief up the questions with the video with this hypothesis and experiments of practitioners and scholar alike.